Hello, and thanks for joining me. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and also like and share this video with all your friends. Triangles and the wooden dowel, this color. I'll be painting what is going to be the boat part a different color. And here you can see that I'm actually putting hot glue over my dowel just to make sure it's going to stay in place, and also so it won't scratch my wall. So once it's all completely dry, there you have it. I'm going to put a hook. And these are just the hooks that I keep from picture frames and what have you that I use for DIYs. So I'm going to go ahead and add some Gorilla Glue. And then I'm going to add my hook, my hanging hook right there. And then I'm going to do the same thing, add some hot glue over it, letting it dry so it can be secure and know that it's not going to fall off. So there's the backing and there's the front. I hope you guys enjoy this DIY. So the next one we're going to do is you're going to need one of these round silver trays and then one of these wood oven top covers or stove top covers. I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue and just put little dots all around the stove top cover. And you can see I'm recycling this one from another project that I did. And then you're going to also need one of those round mirrors that are at Dollar Tree. I think they always have them. I'm not too sure, but I always see them there. So these are products or items that you're going to have available all the time at Dollar Tree. Now in between the little dots of Gorilla Glue, I'm going to add some hot glue, flip it over, and with the tray right side up, I'm going to glue the oven stovetop on top of that. Now go ahead and remove the mirror plastic and then just take it apart, take the mirror apart. And if you see, we're one of the, I guess you'll see there's like little hooks where the mirror kind of attaches to. And I'm just adding hot glue to each one just to make sure that the mirror doesn't fall in or anything. Now I'm adding some Gorilla Glue to a few spots of this frame. And then I'm going to go in between each one of those and add some of my hot glue and glue it onto my other section of this. It's called a mirror porthole is what I'm making. So I'm gluing that on top like so, and there you have it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite DIY. I have to say it's the porthole, but let me know. And here is all the projects together. What do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed these 3-minute Fridays. And let me know in the comments down below what other ideas you have. Till next time, bye.